just called 2 apartments. We're gonna look at one tomorrow and one on Monday. Good morning. It is August 21st, Friday. We got a lot of stuff to do. Man, we got to go to the post office. We got to meet with the job. We have to go to the laundromat. All of our clothes are dirty. But we're going to get all this done today. Then we're going to try to enjoy our weekend. I know I got to call a couple places myself, some personal business. Once I get all that accomplished, it'll be a really good weekend. Hopefully I could get my mind off everything that's been going on.
darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do we go? In your head when in the real world is snow. Oh, I know how you hit the cold. Your life searching for more.
Just got done with the job, meeting up everybody. Everybody seemed really nice at the new job. Went to Walmart because there was a Walmart over here. Grabbed some boots for the job, some gloves, and some lunch meat and stuff for some sandwiches and stuff for the room. And then we decided to stop over here at Del Taco, which I haven't had there in a while. So We're gonna eat this Del Taco, then we got some other stuff we gotta complete today.
Fight to show, fight to live, fight to live, fight to sometimes find yourself nowhere, no. Lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold.
Back from the grocery store. We're loading everything up into the fridge right now. We got some lunch meat, some beers, some water, some sodas. I also got some steel toe boots for the new job and some gloves and stuff for the new job. So got that done. We still have to go to the post office and the laundromat sometime. So still got that working. That's what we got going on. Not too much. We wanted to get a few things. I spent like $100 at freaking Walmart, but I mean, I got a lot of stuff for $100. Can't keep spending $10, $20, $30 on meals every time either. We are headed downstairs. Just called 2 apartments. We gotta look at one tomorrow and one on Monday. Hopefully the one tomorrow pans out. It's only $1,070 for 2 bedroom, 2 bath.
Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. Cause the thing we're searching for is just waiting back home. And you've done your walking, probably enough for 2. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes. Still have more to go.
We decided to grab some In-N-Out burger. Mom is a nervous wreck driving, and it's Friday, so but we're gonna get back to the room after we grab some In-N-Out. But you see the line here, it's crazy, but it's really good food. It's really cheap, so we wanted to get some cheaper meals rather than spending top dollar on food all the time. We did get some lunch meat and stuff so we can have sandwiches, and I got a couple things for breakfast. And I'm gonna sneak the microwave up into the room. Mom thinks we might get in trouble, but I don't think so. I think we'll be fine. I don't think they'll notice. And I'm gonna go up in there and edit the rest of the vlog for tomorrow's video. And once you guys see this, I already have that vlog up. Appreciate all the new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for all the amazing positive comments on the videos. It is a struggle to do daily vlogs, but we're getting them done. And I know it's going to be a little different next week when I start work, but I think we'll be fine. I think I'll do some stuff after work where we can still have a cool little vlog.
Let me tell you something, Teresa. It can't be anything like love, can it?
No, it mustn't be.